Are you looking for a new metal detector but don't know which one to choose because of the different options that are available? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 metal detectors on the market this year, based on performance, price, features, and situations they'll be used in. We'll be taking a look at metal detectors in every price range, so whether you're looking for a great value metal detector or a model that's feature-packed, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which metal detector will be best for you, stay tuned. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. We'll start with the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 metal detector, our choice for the best budget metal detector. With a budget price of around $100, a simple control panel and lightweight design, the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 is one of the best budget metal detectors available, and a great choice for those new to metal detecting. Even if you've never used a metal detector before, the Tracker 4 has been designed for ease of use. Its simple analog display includes adjustments for sensitivity and discrimination, giving it a quick learning curve. You get 3 search modes on the Tracker 4. The all-metal mode detects aluminum, steel, brass, copper, iron, silver, and gold, and is useful for relic hunting. The tone mode features 2-tone audio with automatic iron rejection, and the full discrimination mode rejects what it considers trash items based on how the range is set. An 8-inch waterproof concentric search coil provides a decent balance between sensitivity and ground coverage. And while there is a built-in speaker, you can plug in a set of headphones through the 1/4-inch jack. This is especially important as there's no volume control, and you can expect a runtime of up to 30 hours from a single set of 9-volt batteries. However, at this low price, some compromises had to be made. There's no ground balance adjustment function, so you won't be able to use it on saltwater beaches or areas with high mineralization. Also missing is a digital target ID, depth indication, and iron audio. While these are all useful features, it's hard to complain considering the low price. The Tracker 4 is a capable detector that does a good job of picking up any type of metal, including relatively small targets. If you're on a tight budget, or new to this hobby, the Tracker 4 is an excellent starter choice. It provides plenty of detection capability and has a short learning curve. If you want to stay in the realm of entry-level detectors, but want a few more features, check out our next model, the Nokta Makro Simplex metal detector, coming up next. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Nokta Makro Simplex, our choice for best entry-level metal detector. At around $300, the Nokta Makro Simplex is one of the best entry-level metal detectors you can get. Not only is it great for land use, but it's also IP68 rated fully submersible up to 3 meters for water searches. The 2-part adjustable armrest will give you the best possible fit for comfortable sessions. The shaft is collapsible, and the whole thing weighs just 2.8 pounds. Wireless headphones are supported, which is a huge benefit for the newbie detectorists. The control unit is equipped with an LED flashlight for underwater and nighttime searches, and the screen and controls are backlit. There are 6 levels of sensitivity, 3 audio tones, automatic and manual ground tracking, and depth indication. The main 12 kHz frequency provides a delicate balance on the brink of most popular frequencies, allowing the search for a wider range of metals. You can also upgrade your Simplex software whenever new functions have been added, or when previous features are improved. Everything is powered by a lithium polymer rechargeable battery that will give you about 12 hours of usage between charges, and is topped using a USB cable. You get 4 search modes. The all-metal mode works with no discrimination and will recognize all types of metals. Park 1 and 2 react to almost all valuable metals and potentially worthy items you can find on public lands. Field mode is for relic hunting and provides more depth, while beach mode is for underwater searches and wet, highly conductive ground. You can also purchase additional search coils to make your metal detecting sessions more flexible and productive. Nokta Makro offers a waterproof 8.5-inch DD search coil for tighter, more complicated search areas, while their waterproof 9.5-inch by 5-inch DD search coil has more of an elliptical shape for narrow areas and beach searches. While the Nokta Makro Simplex is classified as an entry-level metal detector, it has some great features that even more experienced detectorists will appreciate, including automatic and manual ground balance, which is pretty rare on beginner models. Now we'll take a look at the Garrett AT Pro, our choice for great value for dollar metal detector. If you're ready to spend a bit more, at less than $600, the Garrett AT Pro metal detector has the ability to be used on all terrains and gives you great value for the dollar. At around 3 pounds, the AT Pro is lightweight and simple to use, and is powered by 4 AA batteries. It's a rugged machine with a durable exterior that's perfect for hunting at the beach, desert, or local park. It can handle anything thrown at it. It's also fully submersible to a depth of 10 feet and is great for hunting in shallow water, such as creeks, rivers, lakes, and even at the ocean. And while the AT does come equipped with a set of headphones, they're not rated waterproof. The AT Pro's strength is hunting coins, relics, and jewelry, but can take a decent stab at gold nuggets due to its 15 kHz frequency and ground balance settings. The detector comes with an 8.5-inch by 11-inch DD Proformance coil that provides decent target separation and depth and is suitable for most situations. For more specialized tasks, Garrett offers a range of other coils for the AT Pro, including a sniper coil and 9-inch by 12-inch concentric coil. A coin depth indicator lets you know how deep to dig your plug, and 8 sensitivity segments allow you to probe deeper with minimal chatter and falsing. Everything is adjustable and can be monitored on the display, which you'll find to be simple and intuitive to use, with clearly labeled buttons and indicators. However, the display doesn't come with a backlight, which can make hunting in low light conditions or in the middle of the day a bit difficult. The Garrett AT Pro is a highly versatile detector that provides great value for the dollar for both beginner and intermediate hobbyists. Experienced detectorists often praise the AT Pro, even after buying more expensive detectors due to its easy-to-use features and excellent performance. If you're looking for a premium metal detector, stay tuned for the Minelab Equinox 800 coming up next. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drop, so if you find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. This brings us to the Minelab Equinox 800, our choice for best metal detector under $1,000. The Equinox 800 is the ultimate metal detector for the traveling enthusiast. It's extremely easy to use and one of the most feature-packed metal detectors you'll find for under $1,000. Some metal detectors are great at finding coins and other metal relics, and others excel at finding gold nuggets. The reasons for this and the technology behind it can fill a book, plus the hardware required has been, up to this point, extremely expensive. The Equinox 800 breaks that mold, and will find coins, relics, and, most importantly, gold nuggets. Using it is dead easy. Switch it on, select the environment that you're in, and start detecting. You'll learn to read the display and be able to identify various targets without having to dig them up. You'll really like the gold detecting mode, which operates in the higher frequencies of 20,000 Hz to 40,000 Hz for highly mineralized soils. Other modes include Park, which is great for recreational spaces, Field, which is tailored for searching in historic sites like old homesteads and farms, and Beach, a mode optimized for salty conditions including wet and dry sand, and is waterproof to 3 meters and for easy monitoring. The Equinox 800 is powered by an internal lithium-ion battery that's USB rechargeable, and will give you about 15 hours on a single charge. The full-featured display is backlit and provides data for target ID, a sensitivity gauge, detect mode, frequency, depth, and discrimination, while the control panel lets you set the search modes, sensitivity, frequency, and power. You'll also get a set of wireless headphones. The Equinox 800 is the first near-professional-grade metal detector that a complete novice can use to find valuable stuff straight out of the box. More serious detectorists will consider their purchase of a good detector an investment that makes this hobby a rewarding experience, and the Minelab Equinox 800 will do just that. Last, we'll be looking at the XP DEUS, our choice for best metal detector under $1,500. The XP DEUS is one of the best metal detectors available for under $1,500, and is a premium, extremely high-performing machine that is best used in the hands of an experienced detectorist. The XP DEUS is perfect for finding coins and relics, and promises to increase your finds with a collection of features and tools that are specifically designed for the job. It features audio response, iron level, multitone, notch, discrimination, ground balance, motion and 4 non-motion modes, extended discrimination range, 9 pre-configured factory programs, and comes with weatherproof headphones. It has 4 frequencies that range from 4 to 80,000 Hz, depending on the coil, and gives you the ability to shift plus-minus to enable finer control over your search. You'll find the telescopic stem is easy to handle and reduces fatigue thanks to its improved operating angle. The remote control unit features a wireless digital link that gives you the option of hip mounting, and the backlit graphic display features low power consumption and an intuitive screen. The 9-inch 2D coil is waterproof, and carbon fiber construction keeps the weight down. The 3-element design of the DEUS allows the search coil, remote, and headphones to communicate via wireless technology and function with their own batteries. Power comes from the internal lithium batteries that deliver about 20 hours of use for the detector and 27 hours for the remote and headphones. The DEUS features fast and intelligent charging via USB that will simultaneously charge all 3 elements in just 2 hours. The XP DEUS is not a metal detector for beginners. It's ideal if you're an experienced detectorist who's willing to spend time to become intimately familiar with its settings. The DEUS offered technology that no other metal detector had when it was released to the market, and it may be one of the best of its kind available. For serious detectorists, this feature-packed machine with independently functioning components and selectable frequencies is a great machine well worth its learning curve. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.